Hello and welcome back to my channel. Just a quick video today to show you what I've been up to really. As you can see from this cute little guy, whoop, he is from Kitty Cafe. I'll link the pattern in my description of the video, and the rest are free-handed items from sort of you know, the yarn that has all different colors. I'm not sure, it's got a special name for it, but I'm not sure what it is. Essentially just single crochet the whole lot, and then it comes out in various patterns. So I had this idea where I wanted to make a bag that kind of clicked together. Haven't quite done the clicky bits yet, but yeah, the idea is you have clicky bits on here, which I haven't quite finished, and then click them, and then there'll be, I can work out which bits of bag I want to take where. So this one fits sunglasses, this one fits an A5 pad, this one could be for, I don't know, train pass, tissues, something. These, most of them fit train pass, the little purses. So yeah, that's what I've been up to. Thanks very much. Bye.